Each side of aluminum foil has its significance. There is a matte side and a shiny side. Each has a different use. Almost everyone has aluminum foil at home, but we often don't use it according to its proper application. There are two ways to use foil, with the shiny side up or down. One side helps retain the temperature of the food, while the other helps reduce it. To make it easy to understand, we'll show you how to use it. When wrapping a product in aluminum foil with the matte side out, it allows heat to pass through easily and reach the inside of the package. This is helpful for preparing potatoes on the grill. Wrap the potatoes in foil with the matte side up. Repeat this for the number of potatoes you want to cook. The potato will be perfectly cooked and not burnt. On the other hand, use the shiny side up to wrap a sandwich for work or food that will be stored in the fridge. Did you know that each side of the foil has a different application?
Put aluminum foil in a pot of boiling water. For years, I worked as a housekeeper for wealthy people. This trick saved me a lot of nerves at work. When I first heard about this trick, I didn't want to believe it worked. Place a pot of water on the stove. Then bring the water to a boil. Cut aluminum foil into squares. Make them into walnut-sized balls. Drop them into the boiling water. I also throw in the cutlery that needs polishing, with tough-to-remove stains and spots. I boil them for 5 minutes and turn off the stove. I lay them on a kitchen towel and dry them off. The cutlery doesn't need polishing, just dry them and they're ready. They have no stains and shine beautifully. The steel has no spots and looks like new. You'll never buy coffee capsules again. This trick will save you a lot of money. Don't throw away used capsules. You can easily reuse them. Take a used capsule and cut the silver cover with a knife. Then, empty the coffee. Fill the capsule with new ground coffee. Compact it with a spoon. Remove any excess coffee grounds. Cut a square from aluminum foil. Cover the capsule with it and fold it around, sealing it tightly. Use a knife to trim any excess foil, and you're done. You can use the capsule the same way as store-bought ones. This trick is safe for your coffee machine. It's cost-effective and efficient. The coffee tastes perfect. Are you missing a battery for your remote control? You don't have to run to the store. In the kitchen, you have one thing that can replace the battery. Take aluminum foil and tear off a large piece. Then fold it into a small rectangle. Next, crumple it to create a cylinder. Make it roughly the same size as the battery. Insert it into the empty slot. The foil will complete the electrical circuit in the device. The remote will work powered by just one battery. Did you know about this?
You don't have to replace it. Just do this. Here's how to fix your blender. Don't throw it away. A cheap and easy method will make it like new. It's worth knowing that this simple trick can keep your appliance in good condition for a long time. Aluminum foil can be our lifesaver when the blender stops working properly. Just tear a few sheets of aluminum foil into smaller pieces. Then, place them in the blender jar. Now, turn on the appliance and blend the small pieces of aluminum foil. It's best to use a low speed. See the shavings that form during the sharpening process. After a moment, remove the blended foil from the blender. You can now check the blades. They will be like new. The blender will once again allow you to prepare juices, drinks, and all other products. It turns out that this solution is perfect, and there's no need to resort to replacing the entire appliance. This way, the device will serve you for a long time. Nie musisz go wymieniać, wystarczy, że zrobisz to. Tak naprawisz swój blender. Nie wyrzucaj go. Tanim i łatwym sposobem będzie jak nowy. Warto wiedzieć, że ten prosty patent pozwala utrzymać urządzenie w dobrej kondycji przez długi czas. Folia aluminiowa może okazać się naszym kołem ratunkowym, kiedy blender przestaje spełniać swoje funkcje. Wystarczy, że porwiesz kilka arkuszy folii aluminiowej na mniejsze kawałki. Następnie umieść je w kielichu blendera. Teraz włącz urządzenie i zblenduj małe kawałki folii aluminiowej, najlepiej na niskich obrotach. Zobacz, jakie wiórki powstały podczas ostrzenia. Po chwili wyjmij zblendowaną folię z blendera. Możesz teraz sprawdzić ostrza, będą jak nowe. Blender znów pozwoli Ci na przyrządzanie soków, napojów i wszelkich innych produktów. Okazuje się, że to rozwiązanie jest perfekcyjne i nie trzeba uciekać się do wymiany całego urządzenia. Dzięki temu sprzęt będzie służył Wam jeszcze długo.
This trick will make ironing much faster. Just spread aluminum foil on the ironing board. It's important to place it with the shiny side up. Then iron the clothing. The foil reflects heat from the board, which straightens both sides of the fabric. Just run the iron over a few times and you're done.
Wrap a candle in foil and see the amazing effect you can achieve. This trick is simple but very effective. All you need is a regular white candle, preferably with a long wick. Wrap it in aluminum foil, leaving the ends exposed. Then, prepare a medium-sized jar so that the wick sticks out above the rim. Now, light the bottom of the candle to melt the wax. Once it becomes liquid, place the candle in the jar and press it down slightly. Wait for the wax to harden and make sure the candle is stable. Next, pour warm water into the jar and add a few cloves. The heat will intensify their aroma. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to give the candle a unique scent. Now, just light it. This candle will not only create a pleasant atmosphere, but also repel insects. Place it where you spend the most time and enjoy a relaxing, natural fragrance.
Put this in your jacket. I always keep one in my pocket. I honestly can't imagine going without it now. Let me show you what to do. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of dried nettle to a bowl. That's the base. Then add 3 tablespoons of dried mint for that fresh aroma. Finally, toss in a generous handful of cloves. Don't be shy. They make all the difference with their bold scent. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients blend together. Now grab a piece of aluminum foil. Spread the mix in the center. Fold the foil into a little pouch and seal it tightly. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes, just enough to let the scent escape without spilling the contents. Now for the fun part, slip that pouch into your jacket pocket or stash it in a drawer with your clothes. It'll absorb odors and leave everything smelling clean and fresh. This herbal combo releases a warm, natural scent, subtle, but strong enough to linger with you all day.
Place aluminum foil under your carpet, and you'll see why so many people do it. This foil rectangle has several practical uses. Start by preparing the foil. Aluminum foil is not just for wrapping food. It has many other uses that can make your daily life easier. Tear off a piece of foil and fold it into a small rectangle. One use of this foil is to stabilize carpets, especially on smooth surfaces like tiles or hardwood. This prevents the carpet from sliding around while walking, increasing comfort and safety at home. Place the rectangle under the carpet to protect it from moisture. Additionally, foil can repel pets. Cats and dogs often avoid surfaces that crinkle or have an unpleasant texture for them, so this trick effectively discourages them from scratching or biting the carpet. Aluminum foil also reflects heat, which can help maintain a higher temperature in the room. It's an easy way to improve the functionality of your carpet and enhance comfort at home,